Currently, there are various issues derived from industrial and commercial refrigeration. There are product losses due to malfunctions in the cold rooms. Energy costs increase because the cooling system does not operate optimally and during cheaper periods. Increases the negative impact on the environment. Maintenance is done manually without data, and 80% of it occurs after a failure. Production downtime occurs as a consequence of the aforementioned issues. To overcome these challenges, we have developed a software for managing industrial and commercial refrigeration. It is a platform that optimizes the operation of the refrigeration system and performs preventive, predictive maintenance by acting automatically before a failure occurs. The potential for improvement in refrigeration is between 20% and 40% in energy consumption, and 25% in maintenance costs. With Gradhoc, we achieve food safety at the lowest cost as a path towards decarbonization. We ensure the perfect preservation of food for the sake of people's health and reduce product losses to prevent food waste. To care for the planet, we reduce carbon footprint by minimizing CO2 emissions. To act on energy efficiency, we reduce consumption and maximize savings. To reduce maintenance, we improve its optimization. The potential market we are targeting is primarily the global food industry, encompassing transformation, distribution, and retail. However, it also includes any other business that requires refrigeration or HVAC during their production process. Gradhoc is implemented in numerous facilities throughout Spain. Additionally, we are carrying out projects in different countries across Europe and Latin America. Our international expansion is a reflection of our commitment to continue growing and delivering value in diverse regions worldwide. Everything that Gradhoc has created has drawn from their multidisciplinary STEM team. Gradhoc is a cloud platform that emerges from the need to evolve the traditional model of industrial refrigeration towards an artificial intelligence-based model. Food safety at the lowest cost as a path towards decarbonization. Join us. Smart refrigeration. Cooler future.